Yes. Okay, so this is your best friend, the flexible sharpened putty knife. For getting off the raft, the main thing is just getting in between the actual part and the raft. And most things should come off pretty easy. I mean, obviously these are small, so making it look extra easy, but most things do come off. If you can just get it to follow that break, you know, between the part and the actual raft. There is a little gap there, it's just not very much.
Tell him about the glove so he doesn't miss a digit.
I already gave him one of mine. That's why I only have one. I don't have two, because I gave him the other one. He knows about it. Yeah, for big flat stuff, let's get down to one of these parts in here. No, I'm trying to get to this other part because he's having trouble with supports that are actually on a part, which is what I'm trying to get off. So this stuff where you've got supports that are stuck on the part like that as well, I usually try to just get off.
I can't really see.
I try to get off the bottom part of the support as much as I can. This one's kind of small again, so it's going to be more easy, but... And then there's still the skin left behind, so then I do kind of the same thing as the raft. I try to get in there behind the skin and just get it separated from the part. Pushing away with the side of the knife can help too. Sometimes you can actually get it just to separate, like that one just popped right off without having to use the sharp side of the knife. So yeah, the edge of it helps.
This looks like a real pain.
It is a total pain in the butt, and that's why I'm trying to give him a few tips. So yeah, stuff on the inside, I'll just grab it and twist it with the pliers. A lot of yanking stuff with the pliers, a lot of trying to push things off to the side. But yeah, you can see that's about as good as it gets on that little guy. Yeah, so hopefully that helps. It's a lot of just practice, honestly. It is a pain in the ass. But yeah, a lot of just doing it and you'll get the idea.